songs tonight.
You know it's not a good idea.
Still don't sound like a good idea, huh?
No. Look at the yard, Jesse.
I'm not finna go that way.
He's just gonna do small circles.
Yeah, I ain't finna do all that.
He ain't doing the motocross shit.
Yeah, I might go that way.
Yeah.
I ain't going nowhere that way.
Just don't go on the road. You don't want
How you do this though, man?
Alright, clutch. You in first gear right now. So you gotta hold this in. Hold that in. Push this button to start. I know you need to start. There you go.
I ain't that tall, goddamn. Hold on. I ain't that tall.
You need to lean on this.
Okay.
Lean on this side. Pull one
Okay.
leg out. This needs to be okay. This
Okay.
is where you shift, right here.
Okay.
Worst idea ever.
You feel that? Yeah. If you go down, you're already in first. So you're gonna do nothing but go up.
See, but I just kicked it up.
So
Okay, now we good.
Alright, now hold this right here. Not long, just until it starts.
I did.
Fuel switch on.
There you go. Alright, now let off this real slow. Don't get the fuck back.
When I let off of that, what's gonna happen?
Alright, I want you to feel on the clutch and then do it real slow. You feel how I want to start going? Alright, when you get to that point, you need to start giving it gas. Don't be scared. Don't fucking get it. Don't do that at all. Just give it gas, you know what I'm saying? Not that much.
That did me.
Maybe.
That's too much. Remember to pull the clutch and hit the brake.
That again.
Pull the clutch and hit the brake.
This is the back brake, this is the front brake.
Well, so I can hit that for the back brake.
But don't grab a handful of the brake.
Yeah, I ain't finna go nowhere. Yeah, I'm trying to get the knowledge. So when I let go of this, it's just like me letting go of the clutches.
Basically, I want you to let go of it and start to go and then pull it back in. Okay? I just want you to get the feel for safety. Too much.
Too much? You straight, you straight. I got it. I ain't gonna go nowhere.
Again. But, real slow. See how it does now? Too much there.
I prefer to be somewhere where I ain't going down.
Just let me show you one time.
Yeah, show me something.
You got your tilt sensor, you gotta shut it off.
Come watch the clutch. See how it's starting to want to go? Not much gas at all. See how I barely push on the gas? As soon as it starts, see how it's winding out? Smooth like that. You don't see like that, that's clutching up. When that clutch is engaged, and it's wound up like that, it's going to go wow and stand up like a motherfucker. You don't want that. Get the fuck out of here. Don't do that. You gotta go.
Shit's about to happen right now. Here we go. This is Jesse teaching someone how to ride drunk.
Fuck back, Tonka. Come on.
Here it goes.
There you go. It's a little, you're going a little too early. Too early before I move. Yeah. So, go ahead. This should, Alright, now go real slow. What's up?
Yeah, okay. I ain't want to go that far right now.
There it is. Both of these guys are pretty drunk.
Damn, that helmet rolled good too.
That bitch hit my balls, man. I ain't worried about me. I don't want your bike to be in there.
Oh, it's good, man. It's their back.
Damn, they're back. This bitch hit my balls, man. Damn, and it seems like it's been so fun, but goddamn. My goddamn balls hurt.
Not a good lesson when you're drinking.
I don't want to do it, though, to be honest.
You're in second.
That's what it was.
Yeah.
Cause
No, you're in third. You were in third.
I was badly checking the motherfucker and it just took off like it was a bat out of hell.
Yeah.
See, I really too far, man. I don't like that.
Yeah.
I don't like that, man. That ain't good.
You want to give her another go?
Yeah, I do, man. I ain't no bitch. Fuck that. Cause I felt it. Is it on neutral? Yeah, it's on neutral. Okay, that's on neutral. My goddamn balls hurting. He got me on film with my balls hurting. I got you. I need you to come on this other side, though.
We're up for round 2. Can he mount it? Oh, there we go.
Yeah. Hey, man, I ain't as small as I used to be, man. What gear am I in?
You're in neutral. When you pull the clutch, you're gonna push down.
If I push down one time, what that mean?
Means you're in first gear.
I ain't got the clutch on.
Now you go down, you're in first.
I'm in first.
You don't need to get out of first, because you're not going to go
I ain't gonna touch this motherfucker at all.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got it.
Keep that shit away from me. I don't need no motorcycles. I don't need to be around no motorcycles. I barely even touched the motherfucker. I ain't even pull it back.
Oh,
That bitch-
shit, look at my handleboard.
See, man, that's why I don't
I
want
got a real speed shifter
I
now.
don't want to mess nothing up
Oh my
on nobody's
god.
shit, man.